Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel.
Our world is full of creatures, big and small, short and tall. In this video, we will show you 10 of the largest animals in the world, classified by various categories such as mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, etc. Check it out if you enjoy the list as much as we do. Now, let's enjoy these 10 fascinating animals. Goliath Beetle. Hiding in the undergrowth of African tropical forests, Goliath beetles takes the top spot as the heaviest insect in the world. They weigh up to 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, grow to a length of 4.5 inches or 11.5 centimeters, and are brown, black, or white in color. Goliath beetles are some of the largest insects in the world, both as adults and larvae. It is thought that Goliath beetles are the heaviest of all the insects. Goliath beetles are a subfamily, the Setnini, within the family Scarabaeidae, the scarabs. The beetles are native to tropical regions of Africa. Adult beetles feed on plant sap or fruit, but little is known about the larvae, which can feed for many months before pupating. It is thought the larvae feed on rotting wood in the wild, but evidence from rearing these beetles in captivity suggests they require more protein in their diet than other scarab beetles. Chinese salamander. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest living amphibian, weighing around 66 pounds, 30 kilograms, though they can reach 132 pounds, 60 kilograms, and growing to a length of 6 feet, 1.8 meters long. Having changed little from their ancestors, they are known as living fossils, but despite their fascinating nature, they are endangered and rare in the wild. The Chinese giant salamander is under immense threat of extinction due to habitat loss, water pollution, and overexploitation of wild populations, as this species is considered a food delicacy in China and is also used for traditional medicines. Consequently, the species has suffered catastrophic population declines and is listed as critically endangered by the UCAN Red List. Despite the establishment of commercial farming of the salamanders across China, it is thought the majority of individuals being traded are taken from the wild. However, the Chinese giant salamander is listed in Appendix 1 of CITES, therefore international trade in this species is prohibited. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living bird, with a height of 9 feet, 2.7 meters, and weight of 344 pounds, 156 kilograms, and at 1.9 inches, 5 centimeters, in size. Their eyes are the largest of all birds. They don't have teeth and can survive without water for days, as they can make their own water internally and extract the rest from the vegetation they eat. As its species name, Camelus suggests, the ostrich was once known as the camel bird because of its long neck, prominent eyes, and sweeping eyelashes, as well as its jolting walk. Also, like camels, the ostrich can tolerate high temperatures and go without water for long periods of time. As it is so heavy, this flightless bird that can never take to the skies, instead, it's built to run. Its long, thick, and powerful legs can cover great distances without much effort, and its feet have only 2 toes for greater speed. Saltwater crocodile. The largest living reptile is the saltwater crocodile, growing to an average length of 17 feet, 5.2 meters, although they can reach 21 feet, 6.3 meters, in length and weigh up to 1,000 pounds, 453 kilograms. They are distributed widely in brackish and salt waters in parts of India, Asia, and Australia, and feed on all animals they can get their teeth into, which includes sharks if they get the chance. The extremely powerful jaws of the saltwater crocodile are responsible for creating the strongest bite in the animal world. The strong teeth can be up to 5 inches, 13 centimeters, long. These two characteristics and the animal's ability to hold its breath for long periods of time make it the perfect predator for hunting large land mammals. Whale shark. Heading underwater, the largest living fish is the 40 feet, 12 meters, long whale shark. Weighing up to 24 US tons, 22 tons, they are an impressive sight, but despite their size, they feed mostly on tiny plankton. Present in tropical seas around the world, whale sharks are considered vulnerable and are hunted in some areas. They feed on plankton and travel large distances to find enough food to sustain their huge size, and to reproduce. Whale sharks are found in all the tropical oceans of the world. Their white spotted coloration makes these gentle giants easy to distinguish, and popular with snorkelers and divers at sites where they aggregate off the coast. Brown bear. The position of the largest living land carnivore is shared between brown bears and polar bears. Weighing a whopping 907 kilograms, 1 ton, and reaching up to 10 feet, 3 meters, tall when standing on their hind legs, they've definitely earned their spot as the biggest. While you'll find brown bears in the forests and mountains of North America, Europe, and Asia. Brown bears are very adaptable and like humans, they consume a wide variety of foods. Common foods include salmon, berries, grasses, sedges, cow parsnip, ground squirrels, carrion, and roots. In many parts of Alaska, brown bears are capable predators of moose and caribou, especially newborns. Bears may also be attracted to human camps and homes by improperly stored food and garbage as well as domestic animals. Giraffe. At a height of 19 feet, 5.8 meters, the giraffe is the tallest living animal on Earth. The neck alone is 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall. At home in grasslands of East Africa, they feed mostly on vegetation high off the ground, using their long prehensile tongues to pull young shoots and leaves from the trees. Babies are born after a 15-month gestation period and are already 2 meters tall. Giraffes have a small hump on their back and have a spotted pattern similar to that of a leopard. For a long time, people called the giraffe a camel leopard, because they believed that it was a combination of a camel and a leopard. That's where the giraffe species name Camelopardalis comes from. Although a recent study of giraffe genetics published in the scientific journal Current Biology concluded that there are actually 4 distinct species of giraffes. The subspecies have different coat patterns and live in different parts of Africa. Giraffe coat colors vary from light tan to practically black. The differences occur due to what the giraffes eat and where they live. African elephant. The largest living land animal is the African elephant, which can weigh up to 6,350 kilograms, 7 tons. They typically grow to 35 feet, 10.6 meters, from trunk to tail and have a shoulder height of 13 feet, 4.2 meters. There are at least 2 species, the savanna elephant and the forest elephant, and they currently cited as venerable in the Yukon Red List of threatened species. They are easily recognized by their trunk that is used for communication and handling objects. And their large ears allow them to radiate excess heat. Upper incisor teeth develop into tusks in African elephants and grow throughout their lifetime. There are 2 subspecies of African elephants, the savanna, or bush, elephant and the forest elephant. Savanna elephants are larger than forest elephants, and their tusks curve outwards. In addition to being smaller, forest elephants are darker and their tusks are straighter and point downward. There are also differences in the size and shape of the skull and skeleton between the 2 subspecies. Colossal squid. The size of the colossal squid is often exaggerated, with viral posts on the internet saying they can reach 60 feet, 18 meters, or even 90 feet, 27 meters, in length. However, the largest squid documented was 45 feet, 14 meters, long. They have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, reaching 10 inches, 25 centimeters, in diameter. Colossal squid, Mesonicoteuthis hamiltoni, are a deep-water species, living usually deeper than 1,000 meters, which makes it very difficult for scientists to gather data on them, though juveniles have been found above 1,000 meters to the surface. So far they have had to depend mostly on juvenile specimens caught by deep-sea trawlers. Colossal squids have been found in waters surrounding the Antarctic, primarily south of 40 degrees south. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal of all time, reaching a weight of about 163,293 kilograms, 180 tons, and a length of 98 feet, 30 meters. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant and their hearts as much as a car, yet they survive by eating a diet rich in tiny plankton. Blue whales have a truly global distribution and live in every ocean except the parts of the Arctic that remain covered with ice throughout most of the year, including summer. Their very large size may help blue whales, and other migrating animals, survive such long trips through waters that may provide relatively little food. Unfortunately, blue whales were one of the hardest hit species by commercial whaling, and they have been slow to recover since their worldwide protection in 1966. To compound their trouble, however, blue whales' preferred food source, krill, is now fished commercially. Their recovery from commercial whaling is in direct competition with commercial fishers in the Southern Ocean. As that fishery takes more and more krill, the slow increase in numbers of blue whales may stop or even be reversed. Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment on what would you like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. Animal Facts 101.